A few years ago, I freed myself from the hamster wheel, and my mission is to inspire as many people from you as possible to do the same. Freelancing changed my life. It gave me freedom and the ability to work on my own terms. But let's be real, it wasn't easy. I struggled, I made mistakes, and I learned a lot along the way. Now I've taken everything I learned, the strategies, the tricks, the learnings, and put them in two powerful resources designed to help you to start and succeed as freelancer. My brand new book, The Freelancer Guide, a clear roadmap, very detailed with my personal story and all the lessons chapter by chapter for you to succeed as a freelancer. And I created a Udemy course, which is at the moment still free, but will get closed out as soon as I'm finished re-recording all the videos. It's the same as in the book, but more compact. And no, I'm not doing this for the money. I'm already successful. I'm doing this for fun. I want to create a new online identity of me, and I want to help and inspire as many people as possible. And when I started, I had no one to give me orientation. I made a lot of mistakes that I could have not taken. So I want to help you to get it started the right way. Here's the truth. Most freelancers fail not because of they have too less skill. It's because they don't know how to get a client. They don't know how to negotiate the right way. And suddenly time goes by, the bank account shrinks, and they need to get a normal job again. So the freelancing dream died. I know this because I've been there before. I had 6 months no projects and no money on my bank account. I was so close to get a normal job again. But then the first client knocked on my door. And now I'm one of the most successful freelancers for mobile development in Germany, working with the biggest companies in Germany. And I want to tell you what I learned. So what's inside? The freelancing guide covers everything, whether you book the course or you buy the book. The book is just more detailed and I go in depth about my story and my experiences. So there are more examples in the book. It covers basically everything. My story, how I started, when is the right time to quit your job, what to do in preparation, how to build your personal brand, how to find clients, how to negotiate the right way, how to dress the right way, and all tricks I learned on the way. It teaches you the mindset shifts that will help you to think of it like a business and not just a hobby. And it will provide real-world examples for you how to write proposals or how to negotiate. So it basically is your freelancing friend. Imagine of the book or the course like you know someone that is a freelancer and you can ask him out. And that I would have very needed when I started. The book and the course is perfect for people who want to start freelancing and don't know how and want a clear roadmap. It is also great for already successful freelancers that want to go from the low-paying gigs to the real big projects, or if you're already a freelancer and struggle to get consistent clients, it is perfect for you. If done right, freelancing isn't about luck and timing. It is more about having a proven system. If you're really serious about freelancing, don't waste months or years figuring it out alone. Let me help you. Grab the book or grab the course. At the moment I will probably run a promotion so you get both for free. If you have any questions, write them right in the comments. At the moment I will answer every comment personally. Listen, freelancing can be overwhelming, but trust me, if I could do it, you can do it too. And today there are so many tools outside, so many resources that help you, so there is no excuse of not trying it. The hardest part is starting, so start now, enroll in the course, grab the book, or just start off doing anything that goes in the right direction. If you want to start freelancing, or if you want to have more success, you just need to start to work on it. So do something. See you inside. Stay inspired.